What's up, you guys? It is your girl Fit Parrot with HIIT Xtreme. So today I'm going to be giving you guys 5 tips on how to become successful and remain successful during your fitness journey. So if you guys are interested in those 5 tips, then stay tuned. When it comes to starting your fitness journey, you always want to know why you started. Knowing why you started will help you when you have those days or those weeks where you just don't feel like pushing. It could be because of health issues or appearance that you want to start your fitness journey. But whatever the case is, write it down and have it somewhere where you can see it every day so that you can remember why you started. Number 2 would be to write down your goals. When it comes to writing down goals for fitness, we always want to write down goals that we can achieve. If we write down goals that are above something that we could expect, especially during the first couple of months of your fitness journey, it can be very overwhelming, and then it can cause you not to want to do it anymore. So you always want to write down a couple of goals, whether it's to lose 5 pounds in a month or whatever the case may be. Write it down and look at it also every single day so that you can remember why you started and what you plan on achieving during your fitness journey. Step number 3 would be to plan. And this comes with planning out the days that you work out. Whether you work out 5 days a week, 4 days a week, and maybe even 3 days a week. You want to have those days placed out on your schedule so that you are accountable for the days that you work out. Your workouts don't have to be extremely long. You can do a good 45-minute moderate to intense activity and you'll be good to go. Just make sure you have those days and those time slots prepared and ready for you so that you have no excuses on getting the job done. Step number 4 would be to meal prep. Now this has to be one of my least favorite things to do because it can kind of be somewhat time consuming, but I'll tell you that it's well worth it because during the week you have all your meals planned out, and so you're accountable for eating those meals. We don't want food to go to waste. If you don't meal prep, you'll get the urge to go to a fast food restaurant or eat unhealthy snacks. So it's best that you prepare your meals for at least the first 3 days of the week to give you some freshness, and then meal prep maybe again on a Wednesday to give you the rest of your week. It's very important that you do this so that you can stay on track with your fitness goals. Last but not least will be step number 5, and that is just to focus. Focus on you, focus on your goals and what you're trying to achieve. Social media can be the downfall of everything when you begin to focus on other people and their results with what they're doing. You have to remember that everybody's different. Everybody's body type is not the same, so everybody's results are going to be different with a different time frame. So just focus on you and what you're doing. Remember your why, because if you remember your why, you will never fall short. So those are the 5 tips, 5 steps that I have for you guys to be successful in your fitness journey. So I thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.